Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to disable the Command Q shortcut on Mac that stops in order to stop quitting apps by accident. So first, click on this little app icon from this corner and select System Settings. Now scroll down to Keyboard. This is it. And look for Keyboard Shortcuts. This is it. Click on it. A new window pops up. Here, look for App Shortcuts. And then click on All Applications. Here, the method that we will use in order to disable this Command Q is that we are not disabling Command Q, or we will disable Command Q that accidentally quits apps for you, and give this Command Q command to another task or command that is not harmful. So below all applications, you will see this show help menu. So we will give the Command Q to this command. So how to do this? Double click this command next to show help menu. Double click it like this, and then click on Command Q. Now click on done. Now if you click on Command Q, this is what you will see. This is the show helpful command or something like this. So this is, I am now clicking on Command Q, and Google Chrome is not stopped or quit accidentally. If this bothers you and you want to not see this help window every time you click on Command Q accidentally, return to System Settings, click on Keyboard Shortcuts, and here same thing, click on App Shortcuts, click on this little arrow, and here uncheck this mark or uncheck this box next to show help menu. Click on done again, and now if I click on Command Q, nothing happens.